Tissot Seastar 2000 Professional Automatic Watch. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Unidirectional rotating stainless steel bezel with an inlaid black ceramic ring. Blue gradient dial with luminous silver tone hands and dot hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type: analog. Automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Case size: 46 millimeters. Case thickness: 12.8 millimeters. Band width: 22 millimeters. Fold-over clasp. Water resistant at 600 meters. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Dive watch style. Watch label: Swiss made.